Hi, I'm Dr. Dan. For the next few minutes, I'd like to share some information on antibiotics in your food and the effects it can have on your health and well-being. How do antibiotics end up in your food? Antibiotics are used in livestock to combat disease brought on by overcrowding and unsanitary conditions and to promote speedy growth. In fact, according to an FDA report, the livestock industry purchases 80% of all antibiotics sold. When you consume meat from antibiotic-fed animals, you are also consuming the antibiotics they have ingested. When these microbes are exposed to repeated low doses of antibiotics, they begin to develop resistance. The resistance is then passed on to the next generation of bacteria and becomes stronger. When you consume the animal products, you become infected with the resistant strains. Cooking the meat will kill the bacteria, but the antibiotic is absorbed into your bloodstream when the meat is consumed. An FDA review spanning a decade from 2000 to 2010 on the safety of feed additives belonging to penicillin and tetracycline revealed that 26 of the 30 drugs under review did not meet the safety guidelines set in 1973, and none of them met the current safety guidelines. Over the years, as warnings about dire human health effects mounted, farmers started using more antibiotics, not less. Between 2009 and 2014, agricultural antibiotic use in the U.S. increased by 23%. The FDA in December of 2013 asked drug companies to voluntarily restrict the use of antibiotics by removing growth promotion as a use for the drug label. This rule goes into effect in early 2017, but farmers can still use antibiotics for therapeutic use, which means they can continue to use antibiotics for growth promotion. So how can you protect your family from antibiotic exposure in your food? Look for antibiotic-free meat in your grocery store or find a good local farm. Whenever possible, opt for organic, grass-fed or pasture-raised meats and animal products such as milk, cheese, and eggs. Remember, it's expensive and labor-intensive to be classified organic by the government. Many local farmers have high standards but lack the organic label set by the government. Ask them about their practices. They may be a better option. So how do antibiotics affect your health? Remember, when you consume meat with antibiotics, you ingest the antibiotics as well. Antibiotics kill beneficial bacteria in your gut and stress your nervous system. This digestive distress can lead to chronic inflammation and conditions like leaky gut syndrome, indigestion, constipation, and diarrhea. The nervous system controls and coordinates all functions in the body. Any stress on the nervous system can lead to a decrease in communication and dysfunction in the body. Stress can be physical, chemical, or mental emotional. An accumulation of stress over time greatly impacts your health. What can you do? You can decrease the stresses in your life and help your body handle stress better. If you're interested in learning more, join our online Facebook community and look out for the best ways to get healthy and stay healthy for life.